Hi guys, today I want to show you how to host a simple landing page on GitHub for free. First, you'll need to create a free account, and after it's done, log in to the dashboard. In order to host a website, landing page, or other simple pages on GitHub for free, you have to have the main files. Usually it's index.html like this, but it also can be contact pages, about me pages, and others. So make sure you have all of them ready to be uploaded. So now let's get started. Once you are inside the dashboard, click on this left side menu and find repositories here. Here, click new repository, add the name, and make sure it's set to public. If you need to add README, toggle this on and click create repository. Now this repository is basically a container for your landing page or other pages. Right here. So next we'll need to upload the actual files. Click on this uploading an existing file. Choose your files. Important note here, make sure the files are named correctly. So for example, if it will be index 111 or something else, your landing page won't load properly. So it should be exactly same name, index.html. Click open and commit changes. You can also drag and drop files here. After commit, the files will be stored in the repo and ready to publish. It takes a little while to see the actual link. So now let's go to settings, find pages. Here we need to make sure it's selected as deploy from the branch, and here we need to set it to main and root folder and click save. Now we need to wait a little bit to see the link generated by GitHub. So let's refresh a few times. Usually it takes less than a minute, but we can see how we can edit their actual content meantime. So before I'll show you how to do that, let's refresh one more time. Yes, so see, now your landing page is ready. If you click visit site, it will load your landing page right here. So it looks very nice. Now I want to show you how you can edit the content of your landing page. To do that, let's go to code and click on this index.html file. So now let's say you want to add another copy here or edit the existing one. Just click this pencil icon and you can now edit anything you want in here. So let's say I want to update the copy. Instead of how to create, I want to say something else. Test. Whenever you want to add here, after that, click commit changes, and that's it. The changes will be live. Another thing I want to show you is how you can add the custom domain if you want, instead of using the GitHub. So let's go to settings, go to pages again, and here scroll down, and under custom domain you add the actual domain. So for example, gmail.com, right? That's a custom domain. Click save, and after refresh you should be able to see that this box is active, so you can check this box to enforce HTTPS. If you are using the custom domain, the landing page will be shown exactly the same as we just saw, but you'll have to set the DNS settings at the domain provider page. You'll have to create a name record and update it there. After that, it will be fully working landing page. And that's it. That's how you host your landing page on GitHub for free. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye.